All right, welcome to the FMI Show. So today we're going to do the typical look at a couple things on the charts, and then we're going to look at a couple NFT projects that have become a community takeover. We wanted to bring some attention to them. Plus, we wanted to kind of go over some best places to go to do some on-ramping and off-ramping of Bitcoin for like some new investors that maybe it'd be better for them to try to find something with a lower transaction fee. So we'll go over some of that. All right, so the first one we're going to bring up is Bitcoin, and as you see here, we are kind of coming down in this channel, and that's kind of the point I wanted to make. Is right now we're still within the channel. We are holding the 20-day moving average, and the 50 there is resistance. And the last time we started holding it as resistance, we did come all the way down and test the bottom of the channel. But when your DCAing method, slowly buying into the markets, you would feel a lot better if you were buying at the lows of the channel than if you were buying at the highs of the channel. So as of right now, we are coming back down. So maybe look at this as maybe a better opportunity to do your buys. Are we going to break out at the bottom of the channel? There's always a possibility. The trend is your friend until it breaks. And there's always a possibility of that, but we do have the 200-day moving average right down here at 26. I wouldn't see it going below that. We have not went below that since we kind of did a turnaround here on the market once it started flattening out. And now we started this extending channel, and like we're coming back down to the bottom of it to retest it. That's completely fine with me. Like I said, you would feel more comfortable if you were putting those buys in at the bottom part of the channel than if you were buying the tops. So that's just, a tool that I like to use. If I like to, a DCA method into something, that always helps out your overall average cost. All right, so the next one here is ADA, and now we did actually break out on the bottom. We kind of broke down out of the channel on ADA, so let's actually get rid of the channel and kind of see what else we're looking at right now. We're actually holding the 50-day moving average as resistance, and that's going to be right around that, right where we're at, that 29 cent, 29.5 cent range. If we don't recover and start keeping that, flipping that to support, next level I would look at is around 27 cents for support. If you come back, it's been another level that we have held as resistance and support in the past. So that'd be my next level to look at. All right, don't pick on me too much here. We're actually going to bring up Shiba Inu, just because it's up 5% today. We have steadily used the 20-day moving average as support. The other indicators are looking a little hot to me right now, but it hasn't been doing too bad. There's been a lot of news about some of their upgrades. They're really trying to get away from the meme coins, aspect of it, I think. I mean, it pays to look at it. I look at, we're kind of still like in that bottom range for Shiba Inu. So, go and read about it, see what they're doing. This might be a good level to get in. I might look for a little pullback right now because it is kind of been running up a little bit the last couple of days. We are still currently under a buy signal, but like I said, the other indicators still look a little hot for me right now as to buy in right now, but there's a lot of stuff coming out on it, so definitely go give them a read. All right, so this part is going to be for the new people to getting into Bitcoin, how they do it, what's the cheapest way, because this channel's built to kind of help the people with not a lot of money that's trying to, dollar cost average in the markets. But if you're losing a lot of that to a transaction fee, some of these places like Coinbase, it's up to like $2 transaction fee to buy Bitcoin. And if you're buying it at $5 at a time, you're losing quite a bit of it. So, plus when you click on their screen, I'm not seeing any dark mode, so they're really not my favorite. SoFi, at least they kind of tamed it down a little bit, but we use them just because we have the checking account through them. and you do have stock trading through them. It's kind of, if you want an all together app, SoFi is a pretty good one, but they still do have transaction fees. Crypto.com, what we noticed is, like, if you're buying it, it's like a 1.6% charge, and then but Robinhood actually seemed to come out on top. That they don't charge a transaction fee. You're probably going to buy the Bitcoin at a premium, but there's no transaction fee, probably one of the cheapest ones, and they do have the option to off ramp, so you can transfer your Bitcoin to your own wallet later on, or transfer it over to crypto.com and start collecting interest on it. Just once you start getting comfortable and learning more about the space, probably the best one to go into is Robinhood. I know a lot of people don't like Robinhood. Like I said, we use SoFi for right now, but SoFi does not have an off ramp like that. You cannot transfer to a Bitcoin wallet. You'll have to sell out of your position on SoFi and then transfer it a different way, where at least Robinhood now does have their wallets live for a couple of the cryptocurrencies on there that they offer, that you're able to transfer it over to a different wallet. So I do like that aspect about it. Comment below, what is your method? Especially, if you're in the space already, you're already buying, maybe you already have some better options that you can share in the comments section to kind of help some people new in the space. All right, for the people that were invested with BlockFi and was collecting interest on their Bitcoin and got stuck once they went bankrupt, check your emails. There might be some stuff coming out on that. We transferred ours out before that happened. That was one we were using off the bat because it's nice if you don't plan on selling your Bitcoin. And it sounds like a great idea to collect interest. Right now, Crypto.com still does it, but it's a real low rate. It's only, I believe, at 1% right now. But yeah, BlockFi has been sending out some emails talking about their bankruptcy, maybe able to get some of your funds back. So if you are in BlockFi, if you were in BlockFi, check your emails. All right, so let's switch over to some NFT stuff here, and we do have Eggscape Club. They just keep posting their gains and how they're keep contributing to their holders wallet, and they're bringing the receipts. They're showing, and we got 5,000 ADA in their holders wallet, so they're definitely doing a good job for their holders. Definitely love the project. Definitely think you should go and give it a shot. Go check them out. They're always posting. They're always communicating with their community. They're sharing some of their investment ideas if you're a holder in their Discord. So definitely a good project to check out. All right, so the next NFT project we're going to talk about is Badass Honey Badgers. Now, this is a community takeover. The founder stepped away, but it looks like he left it in some good hands. They've been very active, working out some new plans. Maybe we'll reach out to him, see if we can maybe do a giveaway for him or something. So we can go and look at the floor price for him right now. Their floor price is at 19, but if you scroll down, it doesn't take too far for the price to start bouncing up pretty good already. So if you're into some honey badgers, if you want to check them out, that's pretty good. We can look at the activity here and see if we get some buys. We got some purchases here 19 minutes ago, 26 minutes ago, day ago. So definitely people are starting to get some attention into this project again. I feel good about it. These community-led projects, sometimes I feel like they're better than the hype projects, because they just kind of shoot up and then go away, and then founder ends up stepping away, and the people are just left with the bags. So I actually like to support a lot of the community-led projects. I think there's a lot of value in them. So definitely go and check out Badass Honey Badgers, CNFTs here. And like I said, we'll probably try to reach out and see if we can do a giveaway for them. All right, another community-led project that's getting started here, and that's Project 2090. Always like the art in the project. We just did a giveaway on Twitter for them. We got the winner here. They're going to be opening up a ticket in their Discord to pick this up. We're also going to be doing another giveaway for them today And all you got to do is going to comment your Twitter handle or your ADA handle, and we'll get in contact to you, and we will have the drawing next Friday. So let's bring up the one you're going to be winning here. All right, so this is the next one we're going to be giving away for Project 2090. And like I said, all you got to do, just leave a comment of your Twitter handle or your ADA handle, and we'll let you know if you win. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you next time.